Hey everyone, it's Kylie and I'm back with another video, and I'm drinking Burger King again. I'm just unhealthy, I guess, I don't know. But today's video is going to be a Sephora Play unboxing. I did 2 of them already, so if you guys do want to go check them out, they will be linked down below, as well as my last video, which is a highlighter collection video. Here it is. I'm not super happy about this box or anything. It's not my favorite one that I've got. Probably my favorite one that I got was, I don't know. I don't know what my favorite box was actually, but this just wasn't my favorite. Of course, you get the little card with the 50 like insider points, and this month was all about like taking selfies in really glowy, perfect, radiant skin. So it shows you like what to post on your Instagram right here, how to take the perfect Snapchat, or like how to get selfie ready, I guess. And then here's all the products. And what you're supposed to do is place them here, and then you'll have the perfect Instagram picture. So I have that. And then the actual bag says make it snappy, which is like snap a picture. I don't know. I don't really use these bags, and I told you guys I feel like they're not the most useful bags because they're kind of just like these like little like, I don't know. I refer to them as like sacks. I don't know. It's not really like a bag, I feel like. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing that I got is from Fresh, and this is their Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask. I love Fresh. I've never actually used anything from them before, but like just from what I've heard, and I just love how their brand looks, like their packaging. And so this is it. I actually don't really like using masks and like new skincare. I've explained this in my videos before because I just break out so easily. But I think I may try using this on like my nose or something because my nose always has no moisture. And it looks like that. It has like those little seeds in it, and it smells like cucumbers, which is such a great smell. And it says you like leave it on for 5 minutes, and it says that it has like seaweed, red algae, and lotus seed, and it says it will like just leave your skin like super baby soft, moisturized. So that's really nice. The next thing that I got, I actually already own. When I had Ipsy, back when I did have Ipsy, I actually got this. And this is the It Cosmetics, it says new. I got this back in October, like 8 months ago. So I wouldn't say that it's new, but okay. But yeah, I already got this powder, so I'm kind of pissed. I hear it's good. I haven't even tried it, to be honest. My friend likes it, so maybe I'll like it. And she can pan on it pretty easily too. Mine is in the shade Translucent. I feel like, I don't know if they make regular shades in this, but it's supposed to like, here's what, ugh. It's broken. You're joking. If you don't believe me, I'll literally show you guys. Okay, that was horrible, and I didn't break it because I just literally just got this, so my makeup thing came cracked. What? That was my brother, if you guys didn't know. I've done a couple videos with him, so yeah. My ColourPop stuff came cracked one time, it like shattered. So this is the Make It Forever Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen, SPF 20. And mine is in the shade 06, or just 6. This unboxing is a mess. I'm so sorry. Okay. This is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty, and I like tried it on my hand, and it looks really nice. I would use it as like a concealer. I feel like it would be really pretty because it's pretty like luminous. Maybe too dark for that, but I don't want to like try it out and break out from it. But maybe I'll try it like over the summer because it's a little too like, I feel like it's a little too dark for like concealer right now, but I feel like over the summer I want to get a little bit more. Then next is this perfume. It's, I don't know if it's a Miu Miu, I don't know, it's just like a perfume, and this is what it looks like. It actually fell out, but I feel like I should do like a video of trying to use these up or something. That would be weird. It would be fun. It says like it's like floral, and it says like rose on it, so I love rose and floral scents, so I'm sure I'll love this. That was like the extra bonus, whatever. This I'm actually really excited for. It's probably like my most like favorite thing that I got. And it's the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer and Complexion Perfector. It's in this beautiful purple packaging. It's in this really pretty purple packaging. I want to open it, but I'm kind of like scared too. I don't know why, but so I'm excited for that. And then this is the last thing that I got. I'm really not happy with this either. This box was kind of just not very good this month, and I would have used that powder, but am I going to keep that powder now? I don't know. This is the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss, and this is what it looks like. I think I'm just going to give it to one of my friends because, first of all, I don't like receiving the products because I can't even wear them because if you don't know, my lips like get so chapped no matter what it is. It's just something like with the formula or something, or not the formula, it's just like something like the ingredients, just my lips don't react to them well. This is in the shade SPL. It's like a it's like a holographic, like, am I ever gonna wear that? No, I'm sorry, but like, if you're gonna give me something, at least give me something that I'd wear. I'm really not trying to be like rude, but I'm just never gonna wear this. And like, I know it looks pink in the packaging, but like it shows up as like holographic iridescent, and I'm kind of like, no. So yeah, a review kind of on this box. It was not very good. My stuff came cracked, and I didn't really get a lot of stuff that I'm actually going to use. So that kind of sucks. But it's not just, at least this, if this stuff came fine and like all intact, I'd be pretty like whatever. But the stuff came broken. Like, I'm sorry, but that's not, I guess it's not really Sephora's fault, but they don't really put any production in here. So, okay, I'm sorry this video was kind of bad and not super positive, but I'm just giving my final review, and I was not really super happy with this box or how it came to me. But if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe it down below to help me get to my goal of 600 by the end of the month, which I don't think I'm gonna get there, but help me get there because I also want to get to 700 by the end of May. So help me get to those goals by subscribing down below and commenting some videos you guys want to see, and also commenting questions about my freshman year or like how it went or just anything, because I want to do a freshman Q&A video or something along that line. So if you guys want to do that, make sure to comment below and comment if you guys have had any bad experiences with your Sephora play coming like this, or if you didn't ever like your Sephora play, just comment down below because I'd love to know. Bye guys!